Namar ka Jingjob dan Burom Saleng Sangma kum MP Lok Sabha ka Tura Parliamentary Constituency nakaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC hakan riu tarik naitung arjar pusaw kala penlong ya ka program penkup Burom na kabentaw ni MP Bethamai na Tura haka jialang ka bala penlong hau susu tham auditorium Shillong. Haka ni ka program lawan menisimenta do Presiden ka MPCC wa Vincent H. Pala Working President uba pensingan NCM ka Vice President ka Dibora Marak ki MLA MDC ki nongkit kam ka party nolor ki wei. Haba jingkren haka ni ka jialang Saleng sang mau loong ba wat laki pai ba ki dap da ka Lyngngoh namar ka Jingjob chong u Hynrei loong ba ka Jingjob ka dei namar ka hok ka baula pen I ki pai ba halor ka Jingshat hok ka Jingshat shet chukor jongki haka bai dei ba ka Jinglong Jingman haka jala.
The only member of the Legislative Assembly in Congress, when Mukul himself was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, when he has put his all efforts to win the MP election Lok Sabha for his brother, could not win. When he fought for his own son-in-law, he couldn't make it through. When he fought even for his wife, he could not make it through. Where he was the Chief Minister? Just imagine, it was true on the side of the AICC to believe that we will not be a winner. That's why my old gratitude and thanks goes to definitely Sabha and Tura, and definitely our MLAs who have joined with us to push a ticket for me. Ronnie, Charles, Magna, Gabriel, and everyone who has fought for me. 2 months back, I was not even I was just an MLA opposition leader. I never felt that I'll be here sitting and then talking to you as an MP. First, when I went here, I was having a little cringe and a little excitement also. Feeling a little, how would you say, a feeling different. Exciting in the meantime, really cringe. But all its blessings only from above. I'm so excited to be part of you and part of the system right now, so that I can at least open-mindedly speak about the truth, about the issues and agenda, whatever I felt to speak for us in the Lok Sabha election. I will definitely follow up whatever Sabha has already taken up. For example, they have already talked about the IIP on the floor of the parliamentary session itself. He has already talked about the 8th schedule on the floor of the House of Assembly. So definitely I will be taking up, sir. I will definitely continue to tackle this. Those matters are really clear for us because we really need 8th schedule to be placed before us, casting our volunteer, definitely we require that one, and then that IIP definitely I will pursue the matter even after your answer. I believe in you, whatever in your leadership capacity that you have led us. I believe in your innocency and simpleton. Maybe too much of simpleness has pulled you down, sir. Not because you have created a polarization or vacuum in the state. We have seen lots of different things, ups and downs. When we talk about the idealistic movement, because of that few of our good leaders has lost. But realism and compromise should be passionately adopted. Then only we might be able to fight that idealistic movement. Sometimes when somebody acts in a different way, we tend to get scared because we are in a volatile situation. But the fact is that our Congress has been pushed so much that we are at the back of the wall right now. Now we have to start pushing back. As whatever our youth president has spoken, we are not going to give up just because we have lost here in Kashmir. This is our first step. We will push back, and definitely in 2028, our Congress is going to be ruling the team and ruling the government. And I'm sure that 200%, I'm assuring our team, not as a Congress, but a team from the Meghalaya, that definitely from our Congress will be ruling, and from our Congress there will be a CA. And definitely you can see. Not only in Meghalaya, but I believe even in the national also you will see in 2029 Congress will definitely come back with a larger number. Now, since most of the speaker has spoken lots, I don't want to make my speeches by making you weird or making you tired or making you lazy. But I believe that whatever we will do, we will not do only for ourselves or only for our team, but for the state as a whole. There were a few lapses. That's why we have to recreate, look at the budget prospect of our Congress. What was the reason why we have lost? We have to rethink and then revisit what were the areas where we have met. There's a lot of things I want to share with you. But if I continue to do that, maybe I might not be able to end it. So I was wondering which part to speak to us. But since we are a family, we are from the Congress, we have to look back and rethink and revisit. What were the consequences? What went wrong? How the whole vacuum was created? And what was the issue? Those things we have to listen to that. Now, lots of people have wondered why Saleng has come. Though Chief Minister, though the ministers could not defeat. It was the truth. It was the truth that we tried to put before the people. That's why realism matters. The truth matters. There's a good politics and a bad politics. When people were asking me, he has great politics, that guy has great politics. I was asking what kind of politics you were asking, what kind of politics you were talking. Is it a bad politics or good politics? You mean he's lying? He could have simply said he was lying or a liar. He was trying to cheating. That's why truth matters. My big win in governance is because we try to spell the truth that is happening within our state, within our country. We never try to lie or make promises during our campaign. We just try to show the people what is happening and what is going on right now in our country, in our state. How we are being scammed, how we are being lied, how we are being cheated about the education system, about the health system, about the society, about the drugs, about the cheating the revenue, how they are being smuggled out of our state. So these are the areas that we are all trying to show the people, give them the truth. Nothing else more than that. So that's why even in the future, whenever we will have any kind of convention or any kind of meeting or any kind of issue pertaining to society, we try to spell the truth. That way, the truth will prevail. And definitely, God will be along by our side. We should not play politics as stated by the people. We should never play politics. I was telling everyone, I don't do politics. I hate politics. Being a politician, they were asking me, why do you hate politics? Because I don't know politics. The kind Your national level policy is talking different, and my decision is talking different. They will say it's like an opium den, but it's not so. What is right, and if you give that things to the people, people will be happy. What is theirs, if you give it to the people, they'll always be grateful to you. So this is how we should step in, and then we should try to oblige for the people.
Kon ba iet, ngiju shat Jingba man la kasngi. Hatu ngilaju perkat ba. Kabam kabang ngibam katain em ya kamet jungi.
Mai ki juba mi kini ki ju ki jing baman la kasngi. Bali kane ka jing keli minta.
Kato ka dukan ration bapen yai uba raju. Uya thu yang
Hynrei man kapor nyem juyo ai kajing bam ki batai kamet ki balong ka daw jong kajing pang anemia mat kajing brie jong ki kma
ba kumnu ngan lai nakini ki jing stam.
kong nangkong pide ban pen melin ban bam ya kajing bam ki bapha hakrukam bam jong pi bunsen ki long kmi bat ki khlong khana ki yo ya kini kajing pang namar kim yo ya kajing bam bantei ya kamet ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhaw ata melu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ke jingbam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D yakini baro kila banyo na ki jingbam badi ha ki dukan ration
Kata kemut ngidan yu kau 45 babyang babat ngi.
Mai uni ukau tu bai biang ba. Pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni.
Kon ka fortification jong kau kandum kata ya ka jingmat ba ka jinglong jingman jong kau.
Mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher.
Om dai kon. Om dan jinga per la da dei ha ka rukom bu ni rukom shet. Kum ba fi ju shet yu kau ba fitien. Kum ju ru la shet ya uni ukau.
Okum ta.
Te kon ka jingbam ba ai ka kot ka khia bat ka ba ai bor ya ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hatu dang dan ki jingbam ba kham bha ban ya uni
Hoit mai fikran ya ka badai sisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya